If you're struggling to find the perfect app to edit your videos, then I'm here to help you out. Here are 4 amazing beginner-friendly apps that you can use to edit your videos and take your videos to the next level, even as a beginner. Number 2 is a hidden gem that I don't even know why people are not shouting about it. Number 1 is my all-time favorite because of how simple and easy it is to use. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Amaka Ezabikwa and I create videos on content creation and video editing tips. So do follow me for more amazing videos that will help you in your content creation journey. So let's get started. At number 4, we have Viva Video. This app is so good and it's known for its simplicity and versatility. So whether you want to edit your social media videos or your YouTube videos, this app will definitely serve you. It has an easy to use interface. It has themes and templates that you can apply to your video to save you time. The Viva app has both the free and the paid version, but all you need to edit your video to come out beautifully, it's in the free version. The only thing is it comes with a watermark. This means that you're going to have the Viva watermark on your video and you cannot export a video that is more than 5 minutes long with the free version. But aside that, this app is amazing, and if you're willing to go for the pro version, then you can go for the Viva app to create long form videos. At number 3, we have Filora. This is your go-to app if you're looking for something fun, creative, and easy to use. It has this fun drag and drop feature. It also has inbuilt templates, intros and outros that you can use in your videos. It has some interesting AI features like the AI beats, image to videos, AI text to videos, AI captions, and the AI remover. You can use this to remove unwanted objects from your photo or from your video. How interesting is that? And one of the things that I love about Filora is that aside CapCut, this is another app that works well when you want to remove background noise in your video. The thing is, the Filora app has the free version and the paid version, but all you need to edit a fun, amazing, and creative video is in the free version. Another thing about the Filora app is that it also comes with the watermark when you download your video. So if you're a YouTuber who wants to add some creative flair to your videos without having to go through all the stress, then Filora is definitely a go-to app. Number 2 is a hidden gem, and this is the VN Editor app. VN just stands for Vlog Now. This app is so amazing and it's almost completely free. This is great for beginners who want an easy to use app that will help them create advanced videos and professional looking videos. It has a multi-layer timeline which makes it easy for you to add your text, your image, your audios and all of that all in one place. The VN app takes a little time getting used to, but once you get it, you'll be unstoppable. It also has the free version and the paid version, but unlike every other app out there, it has so many features in the free version and even way less in the paid version. Another thing about the VN app is that it has a watermark, but this watermark is added at the end of your video and you can easily delete it with one click. This app is great for you if you're a creator looking to add a professional touch to your videos. So whether you're editing a short film, a vlog, a sit-down video, or a tutorial, VN app is your go-to app. Give it a try and you'll be glad you did. At number 1, drum roll please, is my all-time favorite. I love this app so much. And if you're someone who edits your videos, I'm very sure you already know which app I want to talk about. And this is none other than InShot. Yay! I love InShot app. InShot is so beginner friendly. So if you're someone who is just starting out and you want an app that you don't need to sweat a lot over, then you need to go for the InShot app. The interface is easy to use and it's not just great for social media videos like reels and short videos, it's also fantastic for YouTube videos. With the InShot app, you can easily split, trim your video and add transitions and all that you need to add to your video. And one thing I love about the InShot app is how often they update the app. They are always updating the app and adding new features to it. The thing is, the InShot app has both the free version and the paid version, but I tell you, all that you need to edit an amazing video is in the free version. So unless you want to make highly professional videos, you can start with the free version and then you can upgrade to the paid version. The free version comes with a watermark, but the best part is you can just watch an ad to get rid of the watermark. And you can download your videos in as high as 4K. Tell me why you won't be going for the InShot app. This is an amazing app and it's super beginner friendly. So give it a try and you'll thank me later. So there you have it. These are 4 apps that you can use to start editing your videos as a beginner. Let me know in the comment section which of these apps you would like to start using, and if you want a tutorial on how to use these apps, let me know also in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to create one for you. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to more people, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.